Coming up today on America's Top Trial Lawyers, Frank Tomeny.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Attorney Frank Tomeny is an experienced personal injury lawyer in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Mr. Tomeny dedicates his law practice to skillfully representing individuals who have suffered serious financial, emotional, or physical injuries due to the wrongful acts or negligence of others. Frank is certified in civil trial advocacy by the National Board of Trial Advocacy. He is a graduate of Mississippi College School of Law and is a member of the Board of Governors of the Louisiana Association for Justice. And now, Frank Tomeny. Frank, I read in a national publication recently that you had a case that was actually recognized at the Louisiana Supreme Court, and I think the case was Kelly v. State Farm. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, that was a case where we represented Mr. Kelly in a trial for injuries that he sustained in a car accident, and State Farm did not protect its insured and settle the case when they should have, and ultimately we got a verdict against the insured for 6-7 times his policy limits. Wow. So instead of pursuing the insured and trying to collect the money from the insured, we advised him that, and his attorney, he had not been properly represented by State Farm and that they had not done what they should have done to protect his interests. And so ultimately, after going through the federal court and United States Fifth Circuit, Louisiana Supreme Court, what they said was, in Louisiana, you have a duty, if you're a State Farm or any other insurance company, to affirmatively adjust a claim. You can't sit back and, although I had sent them all the information on the claim, and just sit back and not do anything. You have a duty to your insured to make sure that you protect them and that you don't let that happen. And so whether you're a plaintiff suing someone who is insured, or if you are also the defendant that's being sued who was in an accident and may have been your fault, and you want your insurance company to protect your interest.
Right.
And they didn't do it in this case, and that ultimately ended up with a fairly significant verdict, and certainly noteworthy adjustment or clarification of Louisiana law as to the duties of a third-party insurance company.
Right, so this will have the effect of helping other plaintiffs or even defendants, I guess, in the future, right?
The case, it came out in May, and it's already been cited twice by the circuits and by the United States Fifth Circuit as of a couple of days ago. They've used that case as the bellwether case now on good faith and bad faith claims in Louisiana.
Wow, before I understood what plaintiff lawyers did many years ago, I thought that Nationwide was on my side, and like a good neighbor, State Farm would be there for me. But too often I've seen that the insurance companies, the large insurance companies, really have the bottom line first in mind and their client second. It's kind of sad.
Right. You're not always in good hands with Allstate, let's put it that way.
That's very true. Well, thanks for joining us today, Frank, and congratulations on that bellwether case.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Sounds good.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.